Libre sakay bus is a big blessing for me. Like me, senior, na medyo mahina na. I'm Magdalena Cheng, 79 years old, and I'm always riding the Libre Sakay bus. I'm a seamstress pero ngayon hindi na masyadong malakas because there are lots of online na bibili ng damit dati. I deliver goods sa stores. Nag-business ako to earn something because no one will support my child na aking bunso to school. I want to move to make me strong and earn and not to ask money for my children always. Minsan nagliligpit ako sa bahay, tapos may tinago ako. Minsan sabi ko, saan ko kaya nilagay? Tapos sabi ng doc, at my age, I'm going to Alzheimer's. So, I cannot forget something or mawala na ako sa sarili ko. Recommend the doctor, you have to go out, you have to talk with someone to avoid the Alzheimer's. I still clean the house, everything. I cook, I go to market. My knees are painful, but I still walk. I see to it that I can do it alone. Kasi kung ikaw, isang may edad na, pag sinabi mong, ay, paano na ako pupunta, wala akong kasama, hindi ka magpo-progress, manghihina kan lalo. Sa isip ko, kaya ko. I live in Bagbag, Novaliches. From our place, I have to ride a tricycle, then jeep going to Bayan. Then from Bayan, ride the jeepney going City Hall. Minsan, pag wala akong pera, sabi ko, makisakay lang ako. Ay, mahirap. Maraming lipat-lipat, ganun. Somebody told me, bakit hindi kaya libre sakay bus na lang ang sakyan mo? Sabi ko, may libre ba? Oo, meron. Then I tried. Then that's a blessing because araw-araw sumasakay na ako para ako'y malibang at hindi ako magka-Alzheimer's. Doon ako sumasakay sa SM Nova, then going to City Hall. Then I will choose saan kaya ako pupunta. I travel Cubao, tapos back to City Hall, then I'll go to Ortigas or go to Muñoz. For me, it's a good health because I enjoy and helps my health na hindi ako manghina, nandun lang ako sa bahay. Yung aking budget is limited din. When I go out every day and magbabayad ako ng transport, it's a big amount. Right? Bibili ko na lang yun ng gamot. The drivers are mababait and the conductor always help me to go down and up the bus. Tapos pag nakita nila ako, nadaanan nila ako, uy, si nanay, sakay ulit. In return, I give them something. I give them food. How I prayed na this will continue because it helps a lot of people, especially those who are working na minimal lang yung sahod nila, yung mga student, it helps a lot.